We are in Signal Mountain, Tennessee at Mountains Ledge, just 30 minutes outside of Chattanooga. And today we're going to be showing you one of these incredible mountain tiny homes with these epic mountaintop views. Now, this mountaintop retreat property has a total of 10 tiny homes and 1 villa, all perched in this clearing at the top of Signal Mountain with sweeping views of the Sequatchie Valley. Now, getting to this property was really easy. We even made it up the mountain in our convertible Camaro. Just bear in mind, if you're coming during the winter season, if there's snow, these are mountainous roads with turns and hills, but otherwise it's super easily accessible and easy to get to. Now, when you arrive to Mountains Ledge, each tiny home has a designated parking spot. And at the front of the property, you'll find a common area with picnic tables, campfire, and a charcoal grill, which we'll definitely be using tonight. And we're going to be staying in tiny home number 4, which is named Foster Falls. All right, starting with the outdoor patio area, each one of these tiny homes is going to have its own private patio, and you do have some divider walls for some separation and privacy. You'll have 2 rocking chairs and a portable solo smokeless fire pit. And you've also got 2 campfire chairs, as well as a jacuzzi hot tub that faces these incredible views. And every single one of these tiny homes is facing west over the Sequatchie Valley below, so you're guaranteed some amazing sunsets. All right, let's head into this tiny home number 4, Foster Falls, which has a lot more space than you would think. All right, welcome to the inside of the Foster Falls tiny home. And for being a tiny home, this is surprisingly large. This and many of the other tiny homes here can actually sleep 4. You've got a king bed as well as a queen bed, and both are lofted on both sides. So that gives you a really spacious living room, dining room area in between. And as you can see, there is a full kitchen here. So if you're coming to Mountains Ledge to have a relaxing nature type of getaway, you don't have to go into town and go to restaurants. You can cook your own dinner here in the tiny home. Look how big this kitchen is. I mean, this kitchen is bigger than our apartment kitchen, honestly, and we're in a tiny home. You've got everything you need to cook. There's full dinnerware sets. You've got knives, a nice deep sink, and a gas stove and a microwave. You have a good size freezer and fridge. And for the morning, you don't need to bring coffee products because they've got a Keurig with K-cups and plenty of little creamers. And how cute are these mugs? I can't wait to drink coffee in the morning. And then for eating dinner, you do have a table that will seat 2 people, and you've also got like the couch and a coffee table. And the storage in this tiny home is like crazy good. There's a big cabinet here with a large trash can and a broom. And then you have like all of this hidden storage where you can hide away your bags and your suitcases. The storage is so good. And then you've got the same storage on this side as well. Like, I just don't understand how it's a tiny home and it's more storage than our apartment in Nashville. And oh, look at this, more storage. All right, we're gonna give you a peek in the bathroom. All right, great sized bathroom. You've got everything you need in here, and there's a window, so it's really good natural light for doing your face. Got full regular toilet, plumbing. This isn't off the grid, this is luxury camping. And then a really good size walk-in shower, and no need to bring shampoo or conditioner or body wash because they've got full-size ones here. And I love for when you're getting in and out of the hot tub, there's 2 robes, and how cute is that? Cannot wait to put this on and go for a little dip. And for the beds, like I said, you have 2 different beds that sleep 4 total. You've got a king size primary bed over the kitchen area, and then you've got a smaller queen size bed over top the bathroom. And just keep in mind, these are lofted, so you'll just need to be mindful of your head when you're getting in and out. So let's go check it out. King size bed, more storage, crazy on the storage. Let me test it out. Yep, that'll do. And that is tiny home number 4, Foster Falls at the Mountains Ledge in Signal Mountain. Now, if you want to see more from this property and our Chattanooga travels, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're interested in staying at this property, then we'll link both the Airbnb listing and the official website down below.